Hi everyone, welcome to the weekend vlog. Thank you for joining me for another weekend vlog. I am currently winding down. I just got out of the shower and took off my water-resistant tinted mineral sunscreen by CeraVe. It's like 9:30 at night. I have a load of laundry or load of towels going right now, so pardon the noise in the background. But I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today, I sort of in the similar vein of talking about taking off my sunscreen, I used a new cleansing oil by Hotta Labo. Not really new per se, but new to me. And it's the oil cleansing Hotta Labo Kokujan. Yeah, I'm not really sure if I'm saying that correctly, but this is actually surprisingly a very nice cleansing oil. I have been using, before I tried the Hotta Labo, I was using the Ordinary Squalane Cleanser, just the smaller version that I got at Ulta. And I have to tell you, I really love the Ordinary Squalane Cleanser as a first step in the double cleanse because it's not a pure oil, it's squalene, which is an oil that formulated, you can hear my towels, can't you? I'm so sorry. But it's formulated in kind of like a cream. You just put it on your face, it melts right in, and it really breaks up all the stuff on your face, your makeup, your water-resistant sunscreen, even to a certain extent, dirt, grime, pollutants. So I really like this as the first step, and then coming in with the cleanser after you wash this off fully. This has been the best by far oil cleansing tool. I think of the word oil cleansing tool in my armamentarium of cleansing techniques. So squalene is a triterpene. It is the main class of polyunsaturated lipids found in the skin. It comprises approximately 13% of your skin surface, the polyunsaturated lipids in your skin surface. In comparison to things like fatty acids and cholesterol and other lipids in your skin, squalene is fairly, somewhat, to a certain extent, resistant to UV. It can act as an antioxidant and help to protect your skin, again, to a certain degree, against the harmful effects of UV. UV radiation contributes to 80, maybe up to 90% of skin aging. So having a moisturizer, for instance, that you leave on the skin, or a sunscreen that has squalene in it, can be potentially very beneficial in just boosting up the UV protective factor of that sunscreen. I think the Ulta MD actually has squalene in it, the physical tinted mineral sunscreen from Ulta MD. But yeah, with the Squalene Cleanser, you put it on your skin, it dissolves quite easily. It dissolves all the gunk, the makeup, the sunscreen on your skin. There's a relatively short contact time. I mean, you just wash it off anyway, so it's hard to say whether or not any is actually like settling into your skin and getting into the deeper layer of your skin. It's probably unlikely because you're just washing it off anyway. But you know, you never know, and it's going to be beneficial for your skin when you're putting it on, even in that short contact time, and maybe over time maybe there's an accumulated effect. I don't know. It hasn't been researched. Regardless, I think that just having the squalene in the first step of a double cleanse is extremely beneficial. It's a really powerful oil at cleansing your skin, and I really highly recommend it. Okay, and then comes the Hotta Labo oil, cleansing oil. I like this as well. This is more of a liquidy base. As you can see, it's almost quite watery, but it is an oil. It contains jojoba oil, olive fruit oil. I don't know if that's the same thing as olive oil, olive fruit oil. It sounds like it has to be, right? But this is also very good at just going on your skin. It's somewhat lighter because it's not a cream, but it goes on your skin and it dissolves all the makeup, all the water-resistant makeup, sunscreen, anything that you have in your face. And what I do with any double cleanse, like I mentioned in my double cleanse video, is that I first start with the cream or the oil. I just apply it to my face, my neck. I massage it in for a minute or two, and just to break up the sunscreen I have on my face. And then I come in the shower, I just allow lukewarm water to rush at my skin and just take off all of the oil, all of the water-resistant sunscreen, so you can just wash it away. Oh, also squalene, sorry, I'm just jumping around here, but squalene has been shown to be very good at hydrating the skin and improving the level of moisture in the skin, in the deeper layers of the skin. So having this in your skincare routine, especially if you have dry skin, do this first before you cleanse your skin, because that can be very helpful. Okay, and then I come in with usually the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, apply that, massage that into my skin for a minute or two, and then repeat the process just to make sure I can get everything off so it's not sitting on my skin overnight. Because overnight, you want to, not only sleep is going to just help your body recover and your skin recover, but you want your skin to breathe and to recover overnight, and it can do that more efficiently when it's not bogged down with makeup or something like a mineral sunscreen. And before these two cleansing oils and balms, creams, whatever this is called, I was just using almond oil, pure almond oil, and coconut oil. That was okay, but it never really quite got to the place where I was like, everything was coming off. I would invariably like put the oil on my skin, the almond oil or the coconut oil, massage it into my skin, wash it off, then come with the cleanser, wash it off, and then I would get into bed and I would look at myself in the mirror and I would see like my tinted sunscreen around my eyes still, and I'm just like, what's going on? And so it was like still like all this crusty sunscreen on my eyes. It wasn't cutting it, so I feel like I needed something that was more formulated with other ingredients that, you know, wasn't just a pure oil. I needed something else that maybe had silicones or, I don't know, maybe even a little bit of water, some moisture, something that would just really help to improve the sort of the wicking quality and just getting it off my skin completely. Tinted sunscreen on my face when I'm going to bed, I'm not comfortable knowing that it's there. I have to like get up and wipe it away, and I don't like to really wipe my skin with anything like a cloth or a cotton pad. Even if I'm just using like an oil or something, it freaks me out because I don't want to be exfoliating my skin or tugging at my skin with a cloth or a cotton pad trying to get that sunscreen off that my cleanser and my oil wasn't really getting off in the shower. So having a dedicated cleansing oil, again, or a cream that's formulated specifically for that task is incredibly important. It is the weekend vlog, so I'm not going to be spending my whole time talking about skincare. I'm actually going to be going into the kitchen and making a grain-free chocolate cupcake recipe. Yeah, these look really good. I'll leave the link to the recipe down below, but they are chocolate chip cupcakes made from almond flour, coconut flour, and tapioca starch, just a little bit of tapioca starch. I'm going to use a blend of, I think, stevia and coconut palm sugar. Coconut palm sugar is supposedly low glycemic. I don't see a lot of research substantiating that. I don't really eat a lot of it anyway, but I'm gonna be using that. I'm gonna go into the kitchen, and will you join me? Come join me, let's go. here comes the reaction shot. So here is the cupcake. I am eating it without the frosting just because I don't eat sugar. This has coconut palm sugar in it again, which is kind of sugar. I mean, it says it's low glycemic and it's not gonna shoot up your blood sugar, but I haven't really seen a lot of research on that, so I still don't eat like a ton of that. But I made some whipped cream that I think would go really good on this. So I'm just gonna get that. Here's this like huge thing of whipped cream. I'm leaving tomorrow, so I don't know what I'm just gonna throw this out, I guess, which is a shame. Or I could freeze it and make ice cream. Actually, that's a good idea. Maybe I'll freeze this and make like a ice cream that I can come back to in like a week's time. Okay, I'm gonna put a dollop of the whipped cream on top. Do you see it? It looks like one of those Hostess cupcakes, except the like white filling is on the outside. Okay, let me see if I can like figure out how to eat this without looking crazy. So these have cooled down considerably, but they're extremely moist and very fluffy. Like not what you would expect with, I can't even talk, I have my mouth full of this, but not what you would expect with almond flour and coconut flour. This is actually really fluffy and moist. Let me just clean up after myself before I really embarrass myself. And the whipped cream just makes it. I highly recommend you trying this, even if you're not grain-free or sugar-free. I highly recommend trying this recipe. I'll leave it down in the description section below. Check it out. You need the coconut flour, almond flour, and I think tapioca starch. These days, that's really easy to come by. I think like most grocery stores have those ingredients in stock. But yeah, try it and let me know how you like it. But I'm gonna go ahead and go. I hope you enjoyed the weekend vlog. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I can't get this closed, I need help. Thank you for hanging out with me this weekend. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below. Hit the subscribe button as well. Stick around for future skincare videos. I'd love to have you here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.